Go on, bud. Lead them to the hidden world. You'll be safe there. Go.
More than I thought I would, and I'll use you as a warning sign that if you're talking enough sense, then you'll lose your mind. When I found love where it wasn't supposed to be.
You are my best friend, bud. My best friend.
Attaboy, that's it! I'm here!
Suddenly, I'm a fiend, and you're all I need, all I need. Yeah, all I need.
Missing pieces of my heart, they finally collide. So stop time right here in the moonlight, 'cause I don't ever wanna close my eyes. Without you, I feel broke, like I'm half of a whole. Without you, I've got no hand to hold. Without you,
No matter what it is I have to do, I'm not afraid to try. And you need to know that you're the reason why. I don't even care when they say you're a little bit off. Look them in the eye, I say I can never get enough. 'Cause it's alright, keep it together wherever we go. And it's alright, oh well. Moment, so glad I got to know you. The times that we had, I'll keep like the photograph and hold you in my heart forever. I'll always remember you.
But you'll be safer than you could ever be with me. You've looked after us for long enough. Time to look after yourself.